Hello my friend, welcome to my new video tutorial with you Lauren from Laurenbed. So today another video, but all that after this short break. Hello again. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me reach my first 1000 subscribers. Last time I had created this banner. You will find this animation banner in the description below if you want to see it. Photoshop tutorial. So today I will show you how to show this. For example, I have this file and I want to know what is inside this file. Okay, I want to know what is inside this file without opening it. That work with the Photoshop. Okay, generally we open it with Photoshop. For this case, we'll not do this. So what we do is, I have this software. I will give you the link for this software to download it in the description below. So just double click on it. Okay, let's save it. Yes. Next. Very simple step. Yes. No, we don't know. I will restart the computer later. Finish. And now, like you see here, our PSD file, and you see like you can see inside this file without opening it. That's all for today, my friend. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.